Kellen here at Screen Innovations. Behind me I have one of our motorized screens, and today I'm going to basically be talking about a couple troubleshooting steps that have to deal with setting limits. So we've got the screen mounted. We're basically at the point where we're going to deploy the screen for the first time. So we're basically going to plug in the data cable to the back of the wall switch, and then we're going to plug the other end into one of the RJ45 ports. You've got 3 on the outside, you got 1 on the interior. I'm going to go ahead and use the ones on the outside. So with the wall switch connected to the screen, and if you are in the middle position, which is run mode, on the back of the wall switch, you can basically just tap the down button once and the screen will deploy to the factory set limit. So next, I'm basically at the point where I want to set my lower limit, okay? So for this purpose, I want to raise my lower limit. So what I'm going to do, Somfy wall switch, we're going to go to the back of the wall switch. We're going to move the dip switch from the middle position into the down position, which is the lower limit setting mode. Once I'm in lower limit setting mode, I have manual control of the motor. Okay, I can then just tap the up button once and it'll jog up once. I can hold the up button and it'll continue to roll up, or I can tap the down button and it'll go down. And I'm basically gonna get it to where I just want that SI plate to be revealed. Once I have the lower limit set to the position that I want it, I'm gonna go to the back of the wall switch and I'm just gonna move that dip switch from the down position into the middle position so I'm back in run mode, okay? Now at this point, you've got your lower limit set. The upper limit's set in the factory and we do not recommend touching the upper limit. The only time you should touch the upper limit is if you're basically on a phone call with us. So I'm gonna tap the up button. The screen is gonna go up to its upper limit. Now, in the event that you have to make a change to this upper limit, okay, there's a couple key things. If you set this upper limit too high to where this weight bar is making contact with your material, with the screen material roll, it'll put a repeating horizontal line in your screen, okay? So if you ever need to make adjustments to the upper limit, okay, all you have to do is you're gonna move the dip switch from the middle position into the up position, which is upper limit setting mode, okay? When you're in that position, use your up and down arrows only and make micro adjustments. If you're setting your upper limit, be 100% sure that when you set that upper limit, that weight bar can swing a little bit and it is not touching the material roll, okay? Once you have it at the position that you want it, you're just gonna slide that dip switch back into the center position, which is run mode, and that upper limit should be set. So now I can basically deploy the screen and retract it. Easy steps on how to set your limits.